Well, there's one company or one idea that you've been a support of in the past: governed, supervised betting. Given all that's going on with FanDuel right now, do you still think it's the right way to go?
Absolutely, even more so, because
Why?
I think what's going on with daily fantasy just demonstrates how much pent-up interest there is in a legal format to participate and engage with our games. I mean, whether that's viewed as fantasy or viewed as technically gambling, I think that's a legislative distinction, and you have to look at the statute state by state. I mean, for us, the ultimate issue is, should what is now daily fantasy be legalized? Our view is yes. If, first of all, that sports betting is this enormous underground business. People estimate it's up to $400 billion business in the United States alone.
So bring it into the light.
We know it's going to happen. Bring it into the light. Regulate it. And by the way, tax it. I've been watching the presidential debates. We need money for our infrastructure. It's a good place to get it, from sports betting.
There you go. Bring in the dollars. Adam Silver live at the NBA Tech Summit.